Continuing with homework 5, let's proceed to problem number 10. The statement for problem number 10 reads as following. A 3-inch diameter gray cast iron cylindrical part is to be turned on a lathe at 500 RPM. The depth of cut is 0.25 inch and the feed is 0.02 inch per revolution. What should be the minimum horsepower of the lathe? So for this problem, we're asked to find the minimum horsepower of the lathe to be able to machine this part. In order to begin, we need to use the same formula as in problem number 8, the material removal rate formula, or we may know it as the MRR formula. So MRR, material removal rate, is equal to pi diameter of the piece, diameter of the cut, feed rate, and revolutions per minute, RPM. So if we pay attention to our problem statement, we were actually given everything we need for the equation on the right hand side. Our diameter is 3 inches, which we're going to be using an average based on the table 8.3. The depth of cut is 0.25 of an inch. The feed is 0.02 of an inch, and the revolutions per minute is 500. So let's go ahead and plug in so we can get our material removal rate. We have pi. From the table, once again, as mentioned, we have 3.875. That's an inch. Lowercase d is the depth of cut, so 0.25 of an inch. The feed rate is 0.02 of an inch, or inch, per revolution. And n, which is the RPM, is 500. Working out this math, we obtain the following. So our material removal rate is actually equal to 36.5 cubic inch per minute. Now, the problem statement actually doesn't want material removal rate. It wants the horsepower to be able to do this. And in order to do that, we need to use the following formula. So power is equal to the power needed to remove such material. And if we go back to table 8.3, the energy requirement for cast iron is 2.0. The unit for this is horsepower multiplied by minute over cubic inch. And that's going to be over our material removal rate that we calculated for. So 36.5, and that's inch cube per minute. So working this simple math out, we see that the minimum power needed is 0.05 horsepower. And that is the solution to homework number 10. Problem number 10 on homework number 5. 0.05 HP horsepower.